Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to go over a little quick thing on my 2009 Turbo Corolla behind me. For those of you that follow the channel, you might have remembered that a little while ago I upgraded and changed out the shifter boot and the handbrake boot and the armrest cover. So I got some new leather pieces from Redline, and they made them and sent them to me. But I was not happy with how they fit. Some of the diameters and the holes were not properly sized. So after contacting them, they ended up shipping me out a different set. And this time I had them send it in Alcantara because the leather was really kind of thick, and it didn't seem soft and supple like I'm used to seeing with a nice quality leather. So I ended up having them do the Alcantara, and I had measured to get the proper size for the diameter of the hole for like around the handbrake handle and the shift boot and whatnot. So I'll kind of show you what I had before and then what I've got now. And I'm going to end up putting these on so I have them on for my upcoming road trip. So let me show you. This is the leather boot that they gave me, and I don't mind the look of it and stuff, but this hole was way too big, and the shift knob, it would just kind of fall within it. And it's a thick leather. It doesn't bend and stuff. It needs to be a little thinner for a gear shift boot. So this is the new Alcantara one, and this is definitely much more flexible and softer, so this is going to work a lot better. And the hole is sized down. I mean, you'll see, look at this. That's a vast difference. And on this one, you have to take it on and off of the little bracket. This is what snaps in to the center console. So I need to attach this with some contact cement, and I'm going to do that now. The new handbrake boot, I haven't pulled the old one out yet, but they do attach this to a metal piece. So this just a matter of snapping in. And then here is the armrest cover. So the armrest cover was the one thing I was fine with, but I'll go ahead and change this out just so it matches. You know, at a glance, this looks like it's not sewn straight, but I think it's just the way it was kind of sitting in there. But so anyway, this is the first part. I need to go ahead and attach this to this so I can put the pieces in, and the rest is pretty self-explanatory. So I will show you this piece here as I'm done, and then I can give you an idea too about the handbrake difference. So here's the boot. So I've got it. You can see kind of where I attached it with staples. I used some contact cement around it and then stapled it in. That's how it was initially. So it's all in there. So went pretty sweet. So now I can come in, and I need to remove the brake one and swap that. So you can see how big this is. Look at this. It won't stay down around the cutout that it's supposed to. It just rides up on the brake handle. So, and there's a ton of extra, as you can see there. But, I mean, I'm pinching. That's more than an inch. Well, more than an inch. It's almost 2 inches that I'm pinching. So, I got to pop the console out and then replace this one too. Although, like I said, this one doesn't bother me too much, but I'd like it to all match. Pop this piece out. This just literally just you pull up here and it snaps out, and then you can pull on the back side and it kind of comes forward. So here we have the old piece and the new piece, and the hole on this one is definitely bigger than this one, so I hope that this is sized more appropriately. And I'll snap this in. This literally just goes on the bottom here, and these clips right here snaps in, and it holds it. So we go ahead and get that in, and we'll test it. So it sure looks good in there. I really like this Alcantara for the boots. In fact, I just ordered some for my GR Corolla too. So, and then here you can kind of see how it goes in. You can see those clips that it snaps into. This was a lot easier to get into. This was also a real pain to fit, and I think the same thing. It's just this leather is thicker, and it didn't want to. It's too thick for the clip, really, for what it's made, because the OEM stuff. Here's the OEM boot. You know, it's thinner than this is, which is actually better. So it started to make me think that I didn't mind the OEM one as much. So, all right, well, let's snap this in and see if this area right here fits better. This fits perfect because there's a groove right here. There's a groove right here in the brake handle, so where this is supposed to stay in that groove right below. The other one just kept riding up. This fits perfect. Perfect. They didn't believe me when I kept telling them the measurements, and they finally agreed to it, and that looks fantastic. And there is the gear shift, and once again, I was dead on for my measurement, even though they didn't believe me. That works great. The old one was so big, it wouldn't stay below the base of the shift knob. So as you can see with this one, it covers the hole like it should, and it looks fantastic. So I am very happy.